Hi, welcome to the woodland. I'm going to show you how to make a fox today. This is my first video on YouTube. I should probably be looking at the camera, shouldn't I? Not the screen. Fuck. Keep looking at the screen. I've made a few foxes before. I'll maybe put some pictures in here. Maybe I'll show you some. Okay, so I tried to start this video before. I'm not sure that I recorded any sound, so if the first or last part or some part of this video has no audio, or bad audio. Anyway, so today I'm going to be making a fox. Seriously? Mark on here, just make sure I'm not removing anything that should be where a fox should be. It's gonna have the ears, gonna have a big bushy tail. Classic fox. Gotta have a big bushy tail. Okay, so what I'm focusing on here is just putting that head in, and that helps me proportion the rest of the body. Nobody wants a big-headed fox. So I'm done with this sort, and I'm going to start using this one, so I can get those little bits of detail in. Well, more detail in. As detailed as it gets with a chainsaw. Now that we've got the shape in, or mostly in, you know, we just smoothed out most of the lines. We're getting pretty close to the final form. Starting to sort of shape out this leg at the bottom here. You see where this leg is? Now we're going to move on to an even smaller chainsaw with a narrower tip. And we're going to add the fur. We're going to create the eyes. We're going to finish off the detail around these ears. Okay, so I'm done with the chainsaw bit. So now all I've got to do is put in the eyes. So say put in the eyes, make the eyes. Finish off the nose, burn it, apply some wood finish. We're pretty much good to go. So for this next bit, I'm going to be using a die grinder, a little bit on the end. Giving it some colour in the eyes with a blowtorch, colour on the feet, darken those. Last thing, put some wood treatment on, give it a little bit of colour, and we're done. I hope you've liked this video. If not, let me know what I can improve. I'm gonna post some more, so if you do want to keep in touch, I'm not gonna say subscribe at this point because, well, we don't know where this is gonna go.